Today we will discuss the thymus as a lymphoid organ, basically the primary lymphoid organ. As in the picture you can see, it is very well developed during childhood, reaches to its maximum size in puberty time. Later on it involutes and becomes rudimentary. It has to deal with the production of T lymphocyte, basically concerned with your central tolerance. This is covered on its outer side by the capsule made up of dense irregular connective tissue. And if we talk about its embryology, it develops from the third pharyngeal pouch from its endoderm. Now, about its histology. Now, as we can see in the picture, it's being covered by the capsule. The capsule is sending septa inside, made up of connective tissue. Collagen fiber could be there, but the fine reticular fibers could be there. This septa divides this thymus into lobes and lobules. Now you can see in the periphery of the lobule the darker area called as cortex of the thymus, and the central pallar area is the medulla of this thymus. Now, how we are gonna explain it? You can see the septa or trabecula is having neurovascular bundle in it, the artery, the vein, capillaries, and with the increasing old age is well laden with the adipose tissue in it as well. Now we have to come towards the cortex of this thymus. The cortex is darker stain than that of the medulla. This cortex has got increased amount of lymphocyte in it, T lymphocyte basically, and the lesser amount of another variety of cell which we called as thymic epithelial cells or epithelio-reticular cells. The proportion is that the T lymphocytes are maximum in number in the cortex, and in medulla this ratio is reverse. The T lymphocytes are lesser in amount and the epithelio-reticular cells are maximum in number. This epithelio-reticular cells are showing both quality of the epithelial cells and the reticular cells as well. Now, how will we categorize these epithelio-reticular cells? They are given the Roman number rather. Epithelio-reticular cells number 1, 2, 3. They occupy your cortex of the thymus, and epithelio-reticular cells numbering Roman number the 4, 5 and 6, they occupy your medullary region.